Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Nur Pratama and I will tell you about Marxist literary theory. What is Marxist literary theory? Is a way of analyzing literature that focuses on it reflects, supports or challenges the social, economic, and political structures of its time. Based on the philosophies of Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels, this theory views literature not as a work of pure art, but as a product of the social conditions, especially the struggle in which it was created. And for the concept, to understand Marxist literary, we need to understand some fundamental ideas. The first one, base and superstructure. Marxists believe that society consists of two parts, the base and also the class struggle. The base is the economic foundations, means of production, tools, land, and the relationship between workers and owners. And the superstructure, the culture, law, politics, religion, and something like that of a society. The theory argues that the base determines the superstructure. Therefore, a book written in a capitalist society will naturally reflect capitalist values or the struggle of the working class. And the class struggle, Marxist critics looks for the conflict between the bourgeoisie, the ruling class who own the means of production, and the proletariat is the working class who sells their labor. They ask who has the power is who is the power, who is the exploited. And the third, ideology and false consciousness. Ideology refers to belief system of the ruling class that is imposed on the rest of society to make the status quo seem natural. Literature can either be a tool of ideology, brainwashing the masses, or a tool to exploit it. What do Marxist critics look for? When analyzing a text, a Marxist critic typically asks questions such as, does the text reinforce or challenges the status quo? Does it make the look happy in the place? Or does it show the injustice of poverty? How are the lower classes portrayed? Are the characters with agency, or are they ignored or stereotyped? What is the comedy value? Is the book itself product of a publishing industry that cares only about profit, whose story is being told? Does the narrative focus on the elite while ignoring the labor that makes their lifestyle possible? And notable Marxist thinkers, Leon Trotsky, argued that literature must be understood through the social environment. George Lucas focused on literary realism and how novels should affect to reality. And Louis Althusser, he developed the idea of ideological state apparatus like schools and media that shape our thoughts. And Terry Eagleton, a modern critic who views literature as a complex production of history and ideology. In conclusion, Marxist literary theory treats literature as a social document. It rejects the idea that a story is just a story. Instead, it sees every book a battleground where different social classes and economic interests clash. So I think this is enough, and I wish you can understand what I said. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.